Hi guys, I am sharing with you today 4 different pasta salads. I love pasta salad and I really love making them during the summertime to take to barbecues, potlucks, picnics because it usually makes a pretty big batch and they're always so good and huge crowd pleasers. So I'm going to share with you these really delicious and super easy pasta salad recipes you are going to love for this summer. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you these recipes.
So this first pasta salad, I'm going to be using this protein pasta. I have been really loving it lately, but you can use your favorite kind of pasta. So I'm just cooking it according to the package directions. So just cook up your favorite pasta, give it a little stir, and any kind will work great. I have 2 cups of chopped up kale for this. I'm gonna add in a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and I have some shaved Parmesan, some freshly shaved Parmesan, so good. So I'm using 1 cup of this, and I have our favorite creamy Cesar dressing. I'm gonna use 1 cup of this dressing. I'm gonna add this in to all of my pasta salad ingredients, give this a good stir, and this is really delicious. It is a huge hit, and it's so easy to make, but it's a really great barbecue side dish, picnic side dish to bring to a party. So I'm going to do an Orzo pasta salad. So once again, I'm just going to cook my pasta according to the package directions. So you can use your favorite kind of Orzo. Orzo is so fun. It's just like a tiny little noodle, but I love doing an Orzo salad. So while this Orzo cooks, I'm also going to make some asparagus. So I'm just going to roast this asparagus in the oven. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees right now. And I have my baking mat lined cookie sheet. I'm just going to snap off the ends of all of this asparagus, and then it will be ready to cook after I give it a little olive oil and some seasoning as well. So I love asparagus this time of year in the summer. It is really wonderful, and it is a perfect addition to this pasta salad. I have my seasoning salt. I'm adding in some garlic powder as well. I'm going to give this a little toss to mix this around, and then this asparagus will be ready to go into the oven. So my Orzo has cooled. I am going to add in some olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a little stir, and then I will add in all the rest of my ingredients here to this Orzo pasta salad. I have 2 lemons, so I'm just going to juice 2 lemons in here, and I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes as well. Cherry tomatoes are so great this time of year as well. So I like to cut mine in half before I add them in to make them a little smaller. I'm going to use some feta crumbles for this. I'm just using the whole container. And I have my cooked asparagus that I have diced up into some smaller pieces. Give this a good stir. This is one of my favorite pasta salads. I love making this one. It is super easy, of course, but it's so delicious. It's just like light and fresh and just so perfect for summertime. Add in some salt and pepper to taste for this, and you are good to go. And like I said, pasta salads make a big portion, so I always like to make these for a function, and then you can share them with all of your guests. So this is just a really great pasta salad. This next pasta salad, I'm going to be using a bow tie noodle. I'm just going to cook these bow tie noodles up. Once they're done here and cooled a little bit, I'm going to add in a bag of frozen peas that has been defrosted. I'm going to add in some basil. Basil is like one of my favorite things. I'm using half a cup of basil. You can make your own, but I love this one from Kirkland's, from Costco. I'm going to use some pine nuts. I have a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, which I love pine nuts. Some sun-dried tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Give this a mix. So easy. And I love that you can make pasta salads a little bit ahead of time. You can make them the night before if you need to, or the morning of. So they can be made ahead of time, which is really great. I'm going to do a macaroni salad. Absolutely love this one. This is kind of a classic version, I think, of a pasta salad. My mom always made this one when we were growing up, so I absolutely love it. I'm going to add in 1 cup of mayonnaise. I have some pickles that I have diced up. I have some black olives that are diced up as well. I have half of a red onion that I have chopped up. some pimentos. I'm going to also add in some salt and pepper as well. I'm going to give this a good mix after I add in all these ingredients. And then I'm also going to add in, I have some hard-boiled egg, and I love hard-boiled egg in anything, but I really love it in this pasta salad. So I'm just going to chop it up into some kind of smaller pieces, and then I'm going to stir it again, and it'll break up again into some even smaller little pieces. So I'm just going to chop up, I'm using, you can do 3 to 4 hard-boiled eggs depending on how many you like in here, but just chopping this up a little bit into some smaller pieces. Give this a big stir, and this pasta salad is ready to go. I hope that you loved these 4 pasta salad recipes. They're all so perfect for summer. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons of easy recipes to share with you, so I'll see you in my next video.